This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create vertical text in a cell in Microsoft Excel. I'll be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. Okay, I have a little example project opened up in Excel here. You can create vertical text in any cell, group of cells, row of cells, column of cells. Say that I wanted to change the text within this row here to vertical text. The way to do that, I'm going to select the first one here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag across to where I have all of them selected. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here. I'm going to make sure I'm on the Home tab. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go over to the Orientation area. And I'm going to click on Orientation. And in this little drop down here, you can see vertical text right here. Then you also have two more options for vertical text. I like these bottom two options better. I'm going to click on Rotate Text Up. I still have all these cells selected. I'm going to go back up to Orientation. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to do Rotate Text Down. I like the Rotate Text Up the best. If I go back up to Orientation, I still have all my cells selected. I'm going to click on Orientation. If I click on Vertical Text, I don't really care for that one too much. I'm going to click on it. It would work under certain circumstances. It'd work. I'm going to go back up to Orientation, and I'm going to click on Rotate Text Up. I like that one the best. You can also, I still have all my cells selected here. You can also go up to the alignment tools up here at the top. I'm going to click on Middle Alignment. You can align it differently. That is how you create vertical text in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.